Hey everyone, I'm John Lind, the founder and chief editor at Healthcare IT Today. We're excited to bring you a new entry in our videos, in our series of videos. We're going to be looking at reviewing various health IT products. And today we have the Fujitsu fi-8170. Now many of you may be familiar with the Fujitsu scanners. The popular one is the fi-7160. They've sold over 1 million units. I mean, think about that, 1 million scanner units. That is a lot of scanners in the lifetime of Fujitsu. And they're all over healthcare. They're just the workhorses of healthcare when it comes to converting paper into electronic, often just putting it in the EMR. In fact, there's a story I want to tell you. When I was first starting out in implementing an electronic medical record, I had this experience where I was like, there's all this paper. We'd implemented the EMR, but we were getting signatures and we hadn't implemented electronic signature yet. And the paper was just flowing into our paperless office. Well, it wasn't really paperless because we still had all the signatures. And of course, you can't ever stop a patient from showing up with a binder full of paper that you somehow have to get into your electronic medical record. Well, that's where scanners like this come in handy. Well, I didn't know what I was doing. I was naive. I was a tech guy. And I went to the medical records people. I was like, well, you got a scanner here. It's this 3-in-1 scanner printer combo. Why don't you just use it? What a terrible idea. Well, they used it about 3 or 4 days later, maybe a week later. The medical records person said, hey, John, will you come check this out? And I was like, sure. She's like, this 3-in-1 scanner's not working so good. She literally had burnt through this 3-in-1 scanner and it was just dead. It wasn't working anymore because it wasn't designed for that type of duty load. Well, I had to learn all sorts of new things like duty load. Well, that's when I discovered the Fujitsu scanners that could handle this type of thing. I ordered one of the 7160s, early models, and we implemented it. It was beautiful. I didn't hear from her for another 6 months, and it just was meant to do it. Well, they've taken this to a new level with the 8170. I mean, it's really interesting to see how this technology continues to evolve. Well, let's look at this F8170. It does 70 pages per minute duplex. That is fast. I mean, imagine 70 pages per minute. That's more than a page a second. You'll see that in a second. It also has a 100-page ADF feed that allows you to put 100 pages in at a time. Now, hopefully, patients will stop coming in with that many pages, but until they do, you're going to be able to do it with this scanner like this. But I think the coolest part of this product that I really love is something they call the Intelligent Sonic Paper Protection, or ISOP. And it comes with a whole variety of things, but let me cover some of the cool features that is included in this. One is it's actually doing image monitoring. And what's cool about image monitoring is a number of different things, but one thing that I liked is it sees, is the paper skewed? It can actually see if the paper is skewed and it can detect, is the document edge there? Which is amazing to think about, that the scanner is actually seeing, is the paper incorrectly? And it's going to try to correct it. And then, or it will warn you so you can correct it. It also can see, is there a tip of the paper or is there image loss? Another cool thing is it can detect if 2 pieces of paper go through at a time. We all know how much trouble that is if you put in 40 sheets of paper and then it misses one in the middle. That's a big problem. In fact, it's a risk for your healthcare organization if you miss that paper in the middle and that was the page that you needed. So that's a problem. So they enhance this with detecting if there's 2 pages going through at the same time. But then the coolest thing is probably when it comes to the motor inside. Now, there's a certain torque that pulls the paper into it, and this scanner right here will actually detect, is it a small batch of papers or is it a large batch of papers? And that will determine, does it need just standard torque or does it need a stronger torque to really pull the papers through? Because how many papers here changes how much friction's there. I'm not a scientist, but you get the idea. They've made it so that whether there's a large batch or a small batch, it just adjusts for you and makes sure that you have a clean throughput to make sure you get every page scanned. And as you can imagine, just like our phones have gotten crazy good at taking pictures. Well, the scanners are the same. The image quality is beyond anything we could need. Although, to be honest, we kind of do need image quality that's that good, because what are we doing with all these scanned images now? We're applying OCR on top of it so we know what is the granular data elements and the things that we're scanning so that we can have that available in the EMR. So it's amazing what's able to do. So let's take a look at this, right? I mean, obviously you see you got the LED screen here, which I think is a powerful thing. If you look in the past, I remember how many times I had to go and see, well, how many pages has this scanned? Well, I used to have to go into the properties and the settings of the PC and find some other one. No, now it's just displayed right here on the front of the screen. You can see the number and you know how many is done. Why does that matter? Well, these scanners are heavy duty and they last a long time. But in that story I told you about 6 months later or so, the same medical records person called me up and said, hey John, it's not quite scanning as good as it used to. Well, I had to go do some work and I looked it up. I was like, oh, these scanners need a little maintenance. You need to go in and clean the rollers and do some things like that. Once I did, back to normal, good as new. But you can know that by how many it's scanned and how many scans it's done, because it may be 3 months for you if you're scanning more. So it's really interesting. Now check this out. This is really cool. And I'm actually going to throw in, we got a bunch of papers here. I was going to print one of Colin's blog posts, but I didn't think that was very green friendly to get a whole stack of papers. Instead, I'm just using some blank sheets. But then also this has detection to know this is an insurance card that you might include in this. You can see there's a half sheet, there's full sheets. It's going to detect all of that. It's also going to detect, which this has been in scanners for a long time, which side it actually has content and which one doesn't. You push it there. I'm just using the local paper stream to have it do it, but you can see how quickly it scans all of these pages. Now this could be going directly into your EMR. Of course it has the Twain drivers, which is like the superpower, that no one understands, but basically all scanners use the Twain driver. Every EHR vendor out there supports the Twain driver to be able to get these images in there. But you see how quickly it just goes through these pages and now, boom. It was able to scan both the pages, the half sheets, and the insurance card, driver's license, passport, etc. So these are really a powerful piece of this process. And of course, we like sometimes to go straight to the EMR. This of course has on the back both the USB connection, but also a NIC card where you can put it and do PC-less scanning as well. And then if you look at the PaperStream Click Scan software that comes with it, it's been enhanced as well. And I've used pretty much every scanner software out there, and not all are created equal. I mean, they all do essentially the basic functions, but this one is really powerful and really simple to use. They've worked hard to improve the UI, so you can choose between all the important PDF, TIFF, what kind of resolution you want, where do you want it to go stored, and a lot of other features like that. So as I look at the Fujitsu fi-8170, it is an evolution of a product that was already great. I mean, I think when you go around healthcare, you've seen these Fujitsu scanners everywhere. But I'm really impressed by the technology they had that solves the everyday problems that the person scanning has to deal with. And as you look at healthcare today, every one of us is burnt out, whether it's COVID, whether it's being overwhelmed by other challenges in healthcare, we all have our own burnouts. And so you'd think, well, who cares if, it doesn't scan quite right? Well, guess what? If we're all burnt out, the scan really matters more than you think it does. So everyone be sure to check this out and check out all the details. We'll have all the notes of where to go, and you can also check out links to more information in the notes of the video. And also be sure to check it out at healthcareittoday.com.